So how do we actually connect our Ninebot electrical scooter here, as you can see, to the Segway Mobility app? So firstly, open up the Segway Mobility app here, as you can see, and then in here you can click on search my device. But the first thing we need to do as well is to also click on the power button here on the scooter to make sure that it's turned on here. So now when it's turned on, you have two options, either Bluetooth or scan QR code. I believe Bluetooth is the easiest one, so just click here and then it should be able to find your scooter here pretty easily. So just click here and then you need to click one time, power button one time on the scooter, and you can see device is paired, which is awesome. So there's going to be some more options here, so I'm just going to click on bind here and click on OK, click on start, click on next here and click on done. And you can see I have now connected it here to my phone, to the app here. It's very easy. You can see I can go into settings and I can unbind it if I want to. I can change the start speed and also enable guard mode and stuff like that here. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually do this.